everybody, you most welcome to MX Breaks on MX24 TV. My name is the Daphne Flashley. It's the weekend and officially I'm about to close the curtains on everything that we've discussed so far, and I'm excited to do this with you every single day. Let's get straight into our stories for today, and we're talking about Ghanaian entertainer Ice King of Aburi. Now he says that Sarkodie adopted his style, his fashion, his music and everything, and so he's seeking compensation. Let's get into details. Ghanaian entertainer Ice King of Aburi has publicly accused award-winning rapper Sarkodie of hijacking his brand identity, sparking fresh controversy in the local entertainment space. Ice King claims that elements closely associated with his persona and creative work, particularly his style, branding and influence tied to the popular Azonto culture, have been unfairly adopted or replicated by Sarkodie without acknowledging or giving him credit. He argues that his alleged appropriation has diminished his recognition and economic value within the industry, insisting that Sarkodie's actions are not fair and have been sidelined his contributions. As a result, Ice King is demanding compensation, maintaining that his intellectual and creative property have been used to elevate another artist's brand. Yeah, so this is what Ice King is saying. Let's hope and see. Wait and see what happens next. And we're waiting to see if Sarkodie will actually reply. But we know that Sarkodie won't reply to anything like this. Yes.